Having all the freedom to study online is nice, but this might make it difficult to focus and start studying. When learning online, you need to become a self-directed learner to make the most of it. Here are some tips to get you started. First, read through the syllabus. Before you start, make sure you understand the course by reading the syllabus, grading policy, and the resources. The second tip, plan your study time. Fit the course into your activities. Plan weekly study times in your calendar and tell your friends and family not to disturb you. Make sure to visit the course at least 3 times a week instead of binge watching all the videos in one go. This will help you retain information better and feel engaged. Tip 3. Actively participate in the course. Connect with fellow learners by joining in the conversation and asking and answering questions in the discussion forum. Tip 4. You can find many ways to collaborate, like joining a study group, upvoting answers you really liked, or sharing material you created for the course. A successful learner contributes to a learning community. Here's how to do that. An academic, informed debate is respectful of each other's arguments using civil discourse. Avoid negativity, such as stereotyping, discrimination, or inflammatory remarks. Give some thought to your arguments and avoid logical fallacies. Cite evidence such as sources and data to support your arguments. Make sure you follow personal online safety rules and do not share out personal details such as your email address or phone number. Now you are ready to be a successful learner. Enjoy your journey with our online course.